American National has about 3 million policies in force, so we knew when we went looking for a new administration system that we wanted something that would handle that. There were two main pain points that caused us to consider and then get approval to do consolidation. The first one was they were just old systems. They were assembler-based. The skill set for those systems was difficult to recruit for. We were having to establish our own training classes to train programmers to do assembler coding. So just maintaining those systems was difficult. And of course the other thing was product development. Product development is the lifeblood of any company. And we were finding ourselves in the critical path for product development projects. And so by establishing one central system and modernized platform, we could more easily put up products and save costs at the same time. American National was originally a Lincoln underwriting system customer, and that system became technically out of date and was not going to be supported anymore. The management at CSC we were familiar with from prior companies, from prior acquisitions, and so we felt comfortable with them. And so they did a very good job of making us feel comfortable that they understood our business and that they were going to be around for 20 or 30 years. We went out on the market and looked for a replacement underwriting system, and nbAccelerator was by far the best thing that we found. There were other systems out there that would do the automatic ordering of requirements and receiving of requirements, but there were no other engines that we found that would allow you to put your rules in and would apply logic to the cases and get the auto issue rates that we wanted out of our business. American National was the first company in the United States to license VPMS from CSC. And so we've used it extensively. We had actuaries using it, and we have IT employees also that write VPMS rules. Today it's deployed in 2 different illustration systems for 2 different market segments. It's used throughout CyberLife, including creation of illustrations. And then we have our nbA system that we use for our enterprise underwriting system. And of course, all the rules in it are based on VPMS. The strategic direction for American National to improve its new business, to increase its volume, is to go to more simplified risk type plans. So we are gradually raising the face amount beyond which we will allow the computer to issue a case or decline a case, to make those decisions. And so the new Business Accelerator system itself puts us in a position to do that very easily because it automatically sends out to the labs, it automatically looks at those results that comes back and can evaluate those, and then it applies our VPMS rules against those lab results and against the other information on the application in order to make a decision. It's been very easy to go in there as the rules have changed and within VPMS or within the tables themselves make those changes that need to be made so that our auto approval rates are actually headed up right now. American National has seen 2 main benefits from the consolidation of what were 5 policy administration systems onto just CyberLife. One is the maintenance required to keep up those old systems. All the old assembler code and the skill set to maintain all that's very difficult to find. And the other big advantage has been new product development. New product development is the lifeblood for a life insurance company, and that's certainly true at American National. And what we found since we centralized everything onto CyberLife and it's become our only policy administration engine is that IT is no longer in the critical path for new product projects. We've taken ourselves out of that critical path, which has been a great thing. American National's participated in several forums on the Executive Roundtable with CAB, which I've been a member of for many years, and then we send people to the user conferences every year and gotten a lot of value out of that over the years. I really get more of a business perspective on what's going on out there, what companies are up to, what CSC is going to do in order to respond to some of those needs. Life policy administration is a different animal. It's hard, it's difficult, and we want to trust that to people that understand how life policy administration system should work. It's different than a lot of other industries. And so I think the knowledge that staff at CSC possesses, the experience level that they have. Plus also we know they're going to be around 20, 30 years from now and be able to support these systems.